So the unit is running, they're testing it right now. The one blower in the garage with the longest line set through an error code, meaning it needed more freon, so they're adding some. And the unit is running. It's super quiet. So just doing the final finishing touches on it. So these have just been turned on. They're running on cold right now. Feels nice and cold blowing out. Super quiet. And then this room also running cold. Can you hear how quiet it is? I'll test the heat here in a minute.